Especially when I'm practicing, I like to slide later. Because look at my fingers right now.
Calluses are peeling.
Yeah.
I hate that. As Magical Brian tries to come up with ideas.
Why are you hitting your head against the wall? B? B? Brian?
Wait, hold on. Watch.
E string. Here you go. Go up to 3rd fret.
Your glasses are falling off.
That's Phil.
I can't even hold the camera straight.
That's it. There's it. There.
No,
Are you ready?
I could teach you one.